Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deanna and you're watching Orchid D. I am at the Queensland International Orchid Fair. I thought I would check it out. I usually take Jared with me on these things, but he's not here and none of my friends are available, so I'm doing this solo, and I've never been to an orchid show by myself, so I am going to have a look around, buy some pretty orchids, and I might take a video of some of the displays there for you guys, and afterwards I'll show you what I bought. If I bought anything, it's very likely I'll buy something, so let's go. That's from Nicky's slippers, is that right?
Yeah, that's
That's
right.
Nicky taking my money?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you want to say hello?
Hello!
It's going to be on YouTube.
You are new too, huh?
Yeah. You want to tell us the secret about growing good Cattleya and Vanda?
This is a secret and then it's a disease actually. But if you love it, you know how to look after it. You have to talk with them every day if you got time.
You talk to your plants every day?
Yeah, I do. Because I love them, they're like my baby.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're
Look
beautiful.
at
You water them in summertime 3 times a week. Winter, twice only.
these. Okay.
As long as you got shady spots.
And do you keep all your orchids under a shade cloth?
Yeah, shade cloth in like outside in a shade cloth or even under the tree.
Okay. And where can we find you, Shirley?
Shady, it's in Sunny Day here, Stone's Corner.
Very good. Well, here we have the results of my morning at the Queensland International Orchid Fair. In truth, I don't think there was much of an international component there. I think the international vendors mostly had flasks. The flowering orchids were all from Aussie growers, which I was really impressed with, and I couldn't resist. I had to buy some of these beautiful plants. I don't think I was really planning on resisting anyway, but let's have a quick look at them because I have to duck off for a lunch date after this, and I could definitely use some pasta in my belly after that morning. So first up we've got a bulbophyllum, which is a bit of a surprise. Out of the ordinary purchase for me, but bulbophyllum meanchicora is $30. I just really quite like the setup that it was in. It looks very well established. It's got lots of nice new growths and quite a compact growth habit. Because I love bulbophyllum flowers, I just find them quite difficult to keep, and I don't really want to mount them because they do require a lot of moisture, especially in our Queensland environment. But the flowers are meant to be quite sizable. They look really unique, and I checked that they're not too stinky. They look like very, very cool flowers, so I'm looking forward to that one. Got one little cattleya. It's got a mild fragrance to it, but those colours, they're just stunning. So this one's from Windemere Orchids. It's BLC Golden Zell Tokyo cross with LC Susan Holcomb Yellow and Red. Beautiful fiery colours. I love it. So I got a couple of paths. Nicky's slippers had a stall there. His plants were just beautiful, and these colours. So they weren't particularly cheap, but I think very, very well priced, considering how well established they are. And as you may or may not know, paths just take their time growing their fans and blooming. So getting them in bloom as well with these perfect blooms. So this yellow one is Paf Hatsue Otsuka, and I believe it's a cross between the gold dollar and, I'm thinking, Rothschildianum. I will put the correct name on the screen. Look, it's a very nice sized flower. The shape and form is just stunning. It's got two fans there. I think this is an old fan, and this is the most recent one. So, and this one, look at this beautiful pink girl. 3 flowers, so it's a more of a medium-sized flower, but she was too cute to resist. And this one is Delana crossed with Lawrenceanum, and it's got new little growth emerging there. So yeah, as I mentioned, not the cheapest, but I think well priced. This was $150 and this one was $80. And for flowering paths that look as gorgeous as this, no regrets there. So I got one Oncidium, and it is called Wilsonara, maybe? Hilo Firecracker. Doesn't quite look like a Wilsonara, but beautiful deep colours and an orangey sort of lip. Very, very cute. It's just beginning to open up its spike, which is kind of why I got it, and it's got a little secondary offshoot there of that single spike. Nice big plump pseudobulbs with a new growth on its way. And last of all, I got a couple of Vandas from FongPing Orchids. Look at the size of this Vanda. This spike is just spectacular. Could not pass her up, you guys. She's just so beautiful. The name is Askasenda Rakjat cross with Vanda. I'll let you guys figure that one out. And I got this girl in full bloom, so I was tossing up between this one and another very similar looking bloom, but it had a little bit of a pinkish tinge. This one sold me on its fragrance. You guys, she smells absolutely wonderful. It's like a honey floral, really nice, and it is, actually I don't know if you can see that, but it's Vanda tessellata crossed with Mimi Palmer. So pretty. But yes, it really was the fragrance that sold me on that one. Alright guys, well that's it. I'm going to apologise because I know the audio on this is not going to be very good because this is on my iPhone. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're Australian, please check out these wonderful vendors. That is FongPing Orchids, Nicky Slippers, I think this is from Daryl Banks, and Windemere Orchids. The plants there were just beautiful. I had a really good morning, all on my lonesome. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more orchid videos. Hope you guys have a fantastic week and happy growing until I see you next time. Bye!